What is up, jawbreakers? Broken Jaw Fishing here, and today we are hitting up some head gates. We're gonna do a little head gate hopping, see if we can pick up a big one. Things are looking pretty high over on this side of the river. Check this out, pretty high. Well, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna try this. Head gates like this. Yeah, there's fish down there. Let's see if we can catch one. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can get one on a martin. That current is strong. Oh, whoa. That current is really strong. So we are at head gate number 2. Head gate number 1 was a bust. Water is just too high on the South Fork. Water coming out of the South Fork. Damn, this is pretty high too. I just throw my lure back there and let it spin. Head gate number 3. Whoa, scared the shit out of me, dog. The dog scared the crap out of me. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You went swimming? You're all wet.
2 hours later.
All right. Well, we had to abandon the head gate. Head gate jumping. All the head gates were just so full, so much water coming out of them. They weren't good. So look where we're at. We're at the most reliable place I know. Because I want to catch some fish and eat some. Alright, well, let's do this, jawbreakers. Dang, sticker bushes everywhere. Got it. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, he threw me. He threw me. Dang it. Dang it. Back at old reliable. Try to catch a fish finally. That's a nice one. Oh God, it's a nice one. Oh God, he's big. Oh God. Where's my net when I need one? Holy shit. Holy shit. Let's flip him and die. Oh yeah. Look at that dog. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. A 3-pounder. Oh, he's gonna be tasty. That was beautiful. Oh, he was so close from coming off. Oh yes. All right. Look at that, y'all. Yes. I got a nice one, Jesus! Get him up! It's a nice cutty. Oh. Oh yeah! Woo, yeah, look at that fish! Woo! Oh man! Look at this nice cutty. All right, it's gonna be 3 nice fish. I'm eating him too. All right, and that's the end of the video, jawbreakers. We tried to do a little canal hopping, head gate hopping, and checking out some of these head gates that I've caught some big fish behind before, but the water was just coming out too fast. Didn't work out, but hey, at least we caught some fish. Had to go to my canal, got some dinner. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.